Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you guys how I made this creamy, chunky, loaded potato soup. For the complete recipe and list of ingredients, check out the description box down below. First, we're going to start off by washing about 2 pounds of potatoes. I don't like peeling my potatoes, so I go ahead and cut them into about 6 even-sized pieces and lay them flatly on a cooking tray so that they cook evenly. You're going to place them in the oven on 350 and let them bake for about 35 minutes. Now we're going to place about 6 to 8 slices of bacon on a pan and let it bake in the oven as well. This bacon here is going to be the bacon that we use for the garnish, so make sure you let it cook until it's nice and crispy. So here we have the rest of our Thanksgiving ham in this house. No meat is left behind. So we're gonna scrape off all the rest of the meat that is on that bone. And then I also used about 4 slices of bacon to go along with this because there wasn't quite as much meat on the ham as I thought there was. We're also going to shred 1 block of sharp cheddar cheese, 8 ounces, and dice up 1 large onion. In a pot that is on medium heat, we are going to add our bacon chunks, ham, and there was also some extra bacon grease from some bacon that we had made earlier, so I went ahead and threw that in for extra flavor. Once that's fully cooked, you're going to go ahead and add your diced onion. If you have garlic that you want to add, now would be a great time to add that as well. We didn't have any garlic, so I just used the onion. And after the onion and the garlic gets translucent, you're going to go ahead and add your flour. I added a 1/2 cup of flour. You're going to cook that until the flour taste comes out of that, and then we will start adding our liquids. Now we are going to add our liquids. We are going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth and 3 cups of whole milk. We're going to reduce that to a low heat, and we're going to take our bacon out and our potatoes out. They should be ready. So the bacon, I'm just going to take it out and sit it on a paper towel and get all that extra grease off of it, since this is going to be the garnish. Like I said earlier, nothing goes to waste, so we are going to put that bacon grease in another jar for another dish that may need extra flavor, but we may not be adding meat to. And now we are going to dice up our potatoes into small bite-sized pieces. As you can see, the potatoes are done, but they are not fully cooked, so they are not mushy. If you like a thicker base with your potatoes kind of mushed into your soup, then you may want to cook your potatoes a little bit longer. I like my potatoes chunky, so we are just going to dice these up into bite-sized pieces and add them to our mix. Up until this point, the only seasoning for this soup comes from the rendering of the bacon fat and the chicken stock. So I will be seasoning this to my liking, which is heavy on the garlic powder, light on the pink Himalayan salt, and heavy on the crushed black pepper. So today I decided that I wanted to eat this out of a sourdough bread bowl. So I toasted it in the oven for about 10 minutes, removed the lid, cut out the center, took out the inside, placed me a big old serving of this nice piping hot soup. I garnished it with extra cheese, sour cream, bacon, and chives, and a big old glass of ice cold Coca-Cola on the side, y'all. Alright, I thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite soup is. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!